Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the 5 new Amazon car headlights found this month that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks, so let's start the video.
The Philips Automotive Lighting 9003 Night Guide Platinum Upgrade. Headlight bulb is a top-tier choice for improving visibility and safety while driving at night. This high-quality headlight bulb by Philips Automotive Lighting is designed to provide superior illumination on the road, enhancing the overall driving experience. The clear color of the headlight bulb ensures a bright and focused beam that effectively lights up the road ahead, allowing drivers to see obstacles, road signs, and other vehicles more clearly. The 9003 Night Guide Platinum Upgrade headlight bulb is specifically crafted for use in the front auto part position, making it a perfect fit for most vehicles. With Philips' reputation for producing reliable automotive lighting products, you can trust that this headlight bulb is durable and long-lasting, offering consistent performance over time. Whether you are commuting daily or embarking on a long road trip, the Philips 9003 Night Guide Platinum Upgrade headlight bulb.
Sylvania H11 Extra Vision. High-performance halogen headlight bulb is a top-notch product that brings optimal performance to your vehicle's headlights. Designed by the reputable brand Sylvania, this headlight bulb is a reliable choice for enhancing visibility and safety while driving. With a voltage of 12 volts, this bulb provides a powerful and clear light output, illuminating the road ahead effectively. The clear color ensures a bright and crisp light projection, helping drivers to see better in various driving conditions. This product is the perfect solution for those looking to upgrade their vehicle's headlights with a high-performance option. Whether you are driving at night in foggy weather or other challenging situations, the Sylvania H11 Extra Vision bulb offers exceptional visibility and clarity, giving you peace of mind on the road. Overall, the Sylvania H11 Extra Vision high-performance halogen headlight bulb is a reliable and efficient choice for anyone seeking.
The DMX D3S HID headlight bulbs. Xenon 8000K white-blue 35W replacement are designed for those seeking an upgrade in their vehicle's lighting performance. With a specific fit for stock headlamps that use D3S high D bulbs, this product offers a seamless replacement solution for those looking to enhance visibility on the road. Featuring a brightness of 3800 lumens, the DMX D3S HID bulbs provide a clear and crisp light output that improves overall visibility in various driving conditions. The color temperature of 8000K offers a stylish white-blue hue that not only looks impressive but also enhances the aesthetics of your vehicle's lighting setup. This package includes one bulb, ensuring a straightforward and hassle-free installation process. Whether you are driving in low-light situations or challenging weather conditions, these bulbs are designed to deliver reliable performance when you need it most. Overall, the DMX D3S HID headlight bulb Xenon 8000K white-blue 35W replacement.
The Philips 12362B2 H11 Standard Halogen Replacement Headlight Bulb is a top-quality product aimed at enhancing your driving experience. As a trusted brand, Philips delivers yet another reliable solution for your vehicle's lighting needs. Specifically designed for headlights, this halogen bulb is a perfect replacement option for those looking for efficiency and durability. With a voltage of 12 volts, the Philips H11 Standard Halogen Replacement Headlight Bulb ensures steady and bright illumination, providing you with excellent visibility on the road. The crisp white color of the light emitted by the bulb enhances clarity and definition, contributing to a safer.
The Philips Automotive Lighting 9003 Vision Plus Upgrade Headlight Bulb is a reliable and high-quality product that caters to a wide range of vehicles. With Philips being the manufacturer, consumers can trust in the brand's reputation for producing premium automotive lighting solutions. This headlight bulb operates at a voltage of 12.8 volts, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. One standout feature of the Philips 9003 Vision Plus Upgrade Headlight Bulb is its enhanced brightness, providing drivers with improved visibility on the road, especially in low-light conditions. This contributes to enhanced safety and overall driving experience for users. The durability of this headlight bulb is another noteworthy aspect, as it is designed to be long-lasting and resistant to various environmental factors that may impact its performance. Additionally, the easy installation process allows for a hassle-free upgrade, making it accessible to a wide range of consumers.